Hey guys, what's happening? It's Resistance 321 here. Once again, very laggy area. I'm sorry if you guys can't see me right. Webcam's a little small. If you guys can see and hear me perfectly fine, I'm perfectly fine with that, right? Yeah, we can hear me. Yay! Anyways, guys, I'm here with my brand new theme. If you guys can see that, the final boss theme. This is for any jailbroken phone. If you guys need it, I do. It's jailbroken iPod Touch, iPad, or iPhone compatible. Um, Pretty much what we got here. So if you guys look at the top status bar, you guys can see the final boss logo in back of the status bar instead. The carrier logo is changed to a final boss text. The background, as you can see, as I swipe through here, final boss stays there. I'm still working on a dock, as you guys can see. It for now, it's going to be see-through. That way, here's a full view of that little pic. The lock screen still needs to be worked on. For some reason, it won't work with mine. If it works for yours perfectly fine, that's cool too. Pretty much everything's customized. The battery logo, everything's customized. Only thing I have on here that's different than probably any of your guys' is the Mountain Dew uh, battery logo. So yeah, that's how it happens, right? Speaking of the slider status, as you can see at the bottom up here, the slider background. If I can put this up here enough. It does highlight Final Boss. It does have the Final Boss slider as the icon, and behind that is a Final Boss slider background. So it looks very beautiful. If you guys can't tell, I do have a broken boo boo boo. Right? Yes.
Can you see me?
I was wondering if the graphics would actually be better on that. Probably not. Guys, not only do I have that theme, I do have one more. I've got a little surprise for you guys. Ready for this? Gonna go into my winterboard themes. Got this one. This one's crazy. Okay, select themes, and we'll take off Team Final Boss. We'll scroll down here, and this is the reveal of the Tweety theme. Soon I'll have an Instinct theme thing up. I just don't have it right now. So wait around a little bit of time, and I will get that to you guys. All right? I'll get that to you. See, it is respringing. We'll wait on this thing. So how you guys doing? You guys doing okay? We all playing our little World of Warcraft games. Oh, here it is. All right, guys. So first off, this is Tweety's theme for Paradox. If I can get this to show perfectly, there we go. As you can see in the back, there is. Let me and take that out. Instead of the Kingdom Hearts background, you will have the Tweety PX Tweety picture. For me, I don't know why, but it keeps on removing that. I don't know what's up with it, but the status bar on top, Tweety PX, as you can see. I'll slide to unlock this. And I'll show you guys this. Here's the Tweety background. And instead of having the status bar changed, it is Paradox Blue on the top right, top left corner. Top right is a black battery logo and a blue Wi-Fi indicator. I didn't see, and as you can see, when it charges up, let me put this over to where you can see it. There it is. See that little Z in the top corner? That is a black battery logo cover. These were created by me. Cydia wouldn't host them. I have to actually go see Big Boss, and they'll get it through for me. I just have to take a couple pictures on my iPod, which I never seem to do. But one other thing I got for you guys. All right, here's a special surprise for you. If you guys need to know how to do this, I will explain in the later parts of this video. All right, guys. So first off, go into TextFree app. I'll go into my settings, texting tones, and let's see. See, as you can hear it here, I'll even let you listen to this. Okay. Let me hear that. Yeah. If you guys can hear that, I don't know where the microphone is on here. It's probably up here, and I'm just not saying it right. As you can see, that is a text tone, and I'll go up here to bird chirp. See it? Bird chirp, right? Cat meow and cow moo. Ready for this here? There we go. As you can hear, I'll even put one last one on here. As you can see, alright guys, so how to do this? I'm going to change that once to do it. So how to change this? Very simple, guys. It's not even funny how simple this is. First off, you gotta have SCP and SSH. If you don't know how to do that, look on the side panel over here to the related videos. I'm gonna tag this and put it in the SSH. All you guys gotta really do is go into SSH, go into the TextFree app, which is under. Screw you, Iodine. 1 second. All you gotta do is go into the TextFree app, which is under, if you go to VAR mobile applications, you'll find it under one of those numbers, number letters. If you don't see it under there, look for the other two Apple application areas, and they'll be in one of those. Then from there, you're going to go ahead and download WavePad. Look up on Google WavePad, and it'll come up with pretty much Microsoft WavePad. And just open up your file and clip it and cut it until you do it. And so now, what you'll do is you'll go to that TextFree app. As you can see, this is an original TextFree, not a modded one. It's the original thing. I just haven't updated it to the next one, just because I don't know what's going to happen. But all you gotta do is change it when you see the text tones. If you see tone underscore cow underscore moo dot cap, you'll change that mid file that you have on there. You'll change that to the .cap file that's on the other side. Whether you rename it, copy it, whatever you want to do. That's all you gotta really do. And it'll say, okay, here's the default tone. You changed it. It's okay. And you'll be able to use that texting tone as I showed you. Now, cool thing about it, I can change echo fonts. You can change echo fonts, Facebooks, and other notification apps that are on there. As you can see, I'll show you. This is Echofon. You guys can see it. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me. That'd be pitiful. Yeah, there it is. See, home resistance 221. We'll go to menu, and I'll show you this. Count. Then you'll go to the push notification screen. And push notifications will pull up. Now you can see mention store X, retweets, whatever. Now you go to notification symbol and you'll see these files. Use the same exact technique that you used with TextFree. As you can hear for chime. As you can see, that's every time whenever someone tweets me, I get that instead of the regular sound. I think it's cool. You can do this with any app for Twitter. It'll say push notifications and what do you want as a sound, and you can change it there. There's a couple of other things, other apps that have that, but I'm going to go ahead and change this back to the Final Boss theme so I look cool instead of Tweeties. Yeah, I didn't do as great as on Tweeties as I should have. I should really be working on his a lot more than I have been, and kind of pees me off that I didn't complete that fully. But there it is, Team Final Boss official. Yeah, so if you guys want to go complain to Cydia and tell them that you should make my MLG Final Boss an actual theme, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'd love that. But yeah, guys. That's all you gotta do to use the SSH to get into your texting tones. I showed you the two themes, Tweety's Paradox and the Team Final Boss Official. As well as I showed you the Mountain Dew battery logo. You guys look up Mountain Dew and then battery, or in the lock screen area, look up Mountain Dew battery, and you'll find it very quickly. If you guys want to, comment, rate, subscribe. If you got any questions on how to do things, I might put an in-depth tutorial in here, maybe, probably not. I might use XSplit to be able to do that, but I haven't really downloaded that on here and run it yet. So until then, guys, thank you. Comment, rate, subscribe. Discuss this on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/resistance321. Add me on Facebook, facebook.com/resistance321. And y'all have a good day. And I'll say peace. Bye bye.